Hello, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll delve into a fundamental concept in economics, the rational system. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what it is, and why it's important in the world of economics. So, what is the rational system in economics? The rational system, often referred to as rationality, is a core principle in economics. It's a way of thinking and decision-making that is based on the idea that individuals, businesses, and even governments aim to make choices that maximize their own well-being. In simpler terms, it's about making logical and sensible decisions. Now, detailed explanations of rational system or rationality. Maximizing utility. At the heart of the rational system is the idea of maximizing utility, which means people want to get the most value or satisfaction from their choices. For example, when you buy a product or service, you typically aim to get the most benefit for your money. Weighing costs and benefits. In economic decision-making, rational individuals weigh the costs and benefits of their choices. This involves considering both the direct monetary costs and the less tangible factors like time and effort. Comparative analysis. Rationality often involves comparing options. People tend to choose the option that provides the greatest benefit at the lowest cost. This principle is used in consumer choices, investments, and even government policy decisions. Expectations of the future. Rational decision makers take into account their expectations of future events and outcomes. For instance, when investing in stocks, people consider their expectations of future market performance. Consistency. Rational individuals are consistent in their decision-making. This means that their choices are not arbitrary, they are based on well-defined preferences and objectives. Information and risk. Rationality also involves using available information and considering the risks associated with decisions. People make informed choices and often aim to minimize risks. In conclusion, the rational system is a fundamental concept in economics. It's about making logical and sensible choices that maximize well-being. Understanding this concept is crucial, not only in economics but in everyday decision-making as well. Thank you for watching. If you found this information valuable, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more educational content on various important topics. Your support is greatly appreciated.